Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. So there I was, minding my own business, creating another great IL-2 tutorial, when all of a sudden, I found I couldn't log into my Steam account. Thinking that I had a problem with my password, I went through the Steam support process. And good old Steam found my account. The problem was, my phone number did not end in 83. In addition to that, I don't have a Russian email address. Well, I didn't, but apparently I do now. The problem was I had no way of telling Steam that this was not my original address. So I went to the next step to verify my password. And big surprise, the passwords did not match. So Steam's online support said, let's get you back into your account. Terrific. So through my regular email account, they sent me the code to get back in. And they confirmed that they'd sent it. So I had an open Steam support request and I waited. I tried to update my Steam request, but I ran into the same problems. So they didn't appear to be interested in contacting me to resolve the problem, so I tried to open a new account. The problem now is you cannot transfer the games from your old account and need to buy new ones. As Steam support had made no effort to either contact me or resolve the problem, I was getting pretty upset. And I could find no practical way to contact Steam to talk to a human being. There were no email addresses, no other customer support phone numbers or means to contact them. I even went so far as to send a letter in an envelope with a stamp that would trundle all the way down to the customer relations manager at Valve Corporation. But I hadn't run out of options yet. So I took the only logical step left, and that was to apply for a job in the support department. But instead of including my resume, I sent them my problem instead. Next day, I got a phone call from Steam support. I spoke with a young tech support guy named Jared, and he was extremely helpful and solved the problem immediately. Although the online support tells you how to prevent further attacks from happening, it doesn't tell you how to regain your account. And this is what Jared told me. I'm not going to read it to you, just pause it. Use the online support first, but as a last resort, then contact Jared. It was believed to be a man-in-the-middle attack. There's a link in the description for it if you don't know what that is. And from what I understand, it's not Steam's fault. Every time they sent me a reply, it didn't get through to me, it got through to the man in the middle instead. So, thanks Steam, thanks Valve. Let's talk now about the actual hacker himself. So here's what we know so far about Alex, the Russian hacker. His father liked animals from an early age, but unfortunately Alex's mother did not approve. And the stress of his parents' relationship caused Alex to put on a little weight. But as the boy grew older, his father instilled self-discipline. But it wasn't long before a newly transformed Alex followed in his father's footsteps. But it wasn't until Alex met his girlfriend that his sexual identity was confirmed. But Alex's remorse and confusion led him into a deep depression. But gradually, as the medication kicked in, he found a great interest in computers. Alex was looking to let off steam. And what better place to do that than to break into and hack into the Steam network? But he made one serious error. He logged into the account of Colonel Ninny. Colonel Ninny was displeased and contacted some business associates. They'll help Alex enjoy the great outdoors, they'll help him enjoy a little time alone, and he may even find religion. Rest assured, What goes around comes around. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please